Hey Amber, good
Hey
morning.
Amber.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, we were talking about Rhianne's good period.
I started today.
Oh no, are you okay?
Yeah.
Adriana, you also have the period, you said.
No,
Or
in
you
the
had it?
first session. Yeah, I had it in the first session. I woke up that day and I was like, oh, okay, I'm really in sync to the workshop. But hopefully I will be able to do it correctly,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
my mind was a bit foggy.
Also, in the very first day, when was it? The 9th of January, I had the period. So it was like, yeah, for
Yeah.
us all. It's like, you
We're
know
all
what?
going in synced.
Yeah, important days the period happens. You know, it's the lunar Chinese year.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Mhm.
I didn't know.
Uh,
Thomas told me yesterday. He said, "Oh, you know that?" Funny. Very,
Yeah,
very
it is.
nice.
It's interesting as well, like the Chinese zodiac. It's
Yeah.
different from the one we know. It's nice.
And you know, there is
Just to
another
do that.
thing that happened with Tom. We always talk about kids in the future, in a few years and everything. And we like brainstorm on which name to give, if he's a male or a female. And we decided to call Luna if he's a female.
oh no.
Yeah.
Super beautiful.
I'm
I
doing the
love
same
this
thing,
name.
Valeria.
Why? Oh my God. So we've talked about. I've got loads of names that I like, but they're Italian. So in
Yes, I was going to tell you that, Val. Do you like Giovanotti, the Italian singer?
Giovanotti, no.
No,
No.
I really like him. I really like him. Every Italian that I ask, oh, do you like Giovanotti? No. And
No.
I'm always like, I love him.
It's because for me personally is a bit trashy, but if you are
Yes,
I've realized that I like some English musicians that are very trashy here, so
I
there
think
is
it's a
something
cultural
there is
stuff. Yeah, because
something.
you guys in Italy, you know that he's a bit trash, let's
Yeah,
say like that. But
exactly.
he's not.
Uh,
So the
have you
music
have you
arrives in a different way.
yeah,
And
I
he
think.
has released an album, a record. I think it was in 2019, and there's a song called Luna, and
Oh,
it's super beautiful, the song, and it
mm,
reminded me of that. I love this name.
I'm going
Good
to
I
write
choice.
it down anyway, so I'll put the link in the
the
randomness of our.
Luna's really nice. Like I haven't thought about that. I all of mine are naturally non-binary names. So I had a dream. And this name just popped up and I've never heard of it before. And I looked it up and it's actually a word. Avir. Aevir, and it's Icelandic. Well, it's Scandinavian actually, and I think it means long journey or long life.
Oh,
Wow, beautiful.
nice.
But but and then for it to be like shortened, I think like the noun is Avy or Ivy. It's pronounced, but it's spelt sort of like the same. And I was like, well, there we go, then that will do. Like, but there's a few others like Greek names, which can be like ancient Greek names, which basically can be either gender. So it's like, okay, that's cool because, of course, naturally, I'd want the kid to choose its own gender and identity when it grows up. So, but yeah, I've got weird ones, but Luna's really nice. Like, Luna could be either as well.
I
in my
believe, yeah. I mean, it's a yeah. In Italy, Luna, it's a female,
eyes.
but
In
because
Portuguese as
in the
well. Yeah.
UK you don't have masculine or feminine for things or
Yeah.
objects generally, then it doesn't matter, right? But then I wanted to look at Welsh names because Tom is Welsh, so I got the green card to use Welsh names.
Did you get Rhianne? Rhianne's Welsh. She's Rhianne.
Yeah, I think it's Welsh. But yeah, I've searched how to say Luna in Welsh, and it's Llawdaw or something
Oh
like this.
wow.
But I've got another trouble that not trouble, another thing that if when I bring in the kids in Italy, they have to say these names, right? So it would be a challenge already for English people to say the name, which is double L E double D and stuff like that. So yeah, we wanted to give a name that we were thinking to give either two names, one Italian and one Welsh. But because we want to have both our surnames, that will be a poem. So
Yeah.
Double barrel. I'm gonna
We've
create.
kind of got two. We've got it's like it's Luna is the first name, but it's shortened for Lunar Ray.
Luna
So it's
Ray.
like the sun and the moon. That's what
All right.
Oh, beautiful.
Lunar Ray. That's what I want.
Oh, lovely. Yeah, so I've been thinking of this stuff while making the collage, or I don't want to fix it. So I've been making a drawing and I'm placing things on top, and then I think I'm gonna just take photos and move stuff around instead of just having a fixed collage. I don't know, we'll see later how it goes, but I've made like this drawing here.
Oh, nice, yeah.
And then I've started making, I love miniature. If maybe in one life I was a miniaturist, one of these people that draw in medieval books. So I've been making little objects. Like this is a pomegranate,
Oh, wow.
and then this little one, because I don't have magazines, many.
Oh,
So I've decided to do stuff myself. Little
yeah, that's
pomegranate.
nice.
What's the
That's sweet.
material that you have used?
This is I found this piece of paper in uni, maybe in year one. Someone abandoned it in a corner. So I am a hoarder of nice stuff. And I like taking discarded things and bring them home. So that I've been making some ovaries, eggs, I don't know, clouds
Cool.
of
Yeah,
something. Yeah, so it's just very playful. So when I went to the forest, I started taking stuff that reminded me of eggs or I don't know, ovaries and
Yeah,
stuff like this.
I
So I
think
found this modular thing, and it's very, I don't know, talks to me. And
I
then
think that's really nice, that found object, the leaves and the berries and things. That does have significance to like seed storage.
Mm.
Things like
yeah,
that.
and exactly. I was thinking exactly of that. I don't even know what this is. It was in the forest floor. So I tend not to take anything that is alive or
Yeah.
still standing. And this was
Yeah,
a
the things
branch
that are in the floor.
actually
Yeah.
lingering from the tree. Yeah. And then just things that now have decayed, but it's fine.
Oh, nice.
Mm.
Good.
And then, yeah, just doodles. And then I had a very, very ugly oil paint that I did. And I only like the clouds, so I cut them off. I knew I wouldn't do anything with the thing anyways. So that's it. And then I started making moons out of just paint. And then I've noticed that my cycle started in the falling moon when I started doing that collage. So I've decided to have this type of moon at the center, and then maybe have the decay or the change around. So yeah, just very, I like details. I like tiny things.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I remembered. Have you ever watched the film, um, "The Dreams When Dreams Come True" or "When Dreams May Come"? Is with Robin Williams.
No, maybe. No.
Let me see that film. So I've started thinking of how why do I like these tiny things, handmade little miniature? And I think I was influenced a lot by stories and films that I watched as a child.
Yeah.
Found something absolutely pertinent with these thoughts. And when, and it's like there is uh, an artwork in this film, which is a handmade world, a little maquette of this world, which is in the bedroom of one of the children of this family, and that one is exactly like these sorts of things that I've been making. I'm gonna do some screenshots and then but it's a
It
bit.
reminded me as well. There's a Russian artist. His name is Yuri Norstein. I don't know how to speak his name correctly, but it's Yuri Norstein. I can send you after the workshop his name, the correct one.
Yeah.
And he used to do little miniatures as well. And then he used to animate the miniatures and do cartoons.
Oh wow.
It's super beautiful. There's a documentary about him, and I watched it and I was like so surprised because I was not expecting something so beautiful, and it was
Yeah.
really deep. I'm going to send it
Yeah, I'd
over
love
to
to
you.
see that.
Yeah, me too. I've got this love for tiny beauty. Like,
Delicate things. Oh yeah.
So Amber, what are you doing? What's that there?
I'm just embroidering an orchid leaf,
Ooh,
a petal.
lovely.
I've been struggling with kind of just like general motivation recently.
Yeah.
I'm just really struggling to like get started on anything that kind of like requires, I don't know, but I find comfort in embroidery and like crochet, maybe because it's easy. No, well, not easy, but like
You visually can see it happening.
yeah, I think so. And I think just the therapeutic like nature of embroidering and crocheting is like helping me do things.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I thought I kind of like have been monitoring my cycle since the last conversation, because uh, when I joined, I think I was just finishing my period. So I thought I'm gonna start again. So I've been like writing down every day like how I'm feeling, like any symptoms or side effects that I'm feeling, which I kind of did anyway, but I suppose not as like dedicated as I am doing it now.
Yeah.
And I want to sort of create this, I was thinking like this circular kind of cylindrical weave thing with different colors to represent different emotions, and like more loose sporadic strands of thread to like represent, you know, when I'm feeling down and stuff, and also like when I'm on my period, and kind of like wanted to do just introduce like different things to it.